Gang, I just wanted to show you on the 4-hour as well. Price made a lower high all the way up February 25th. To take profit 11, made a lower low, back to take profit 9, creating the first top, and then second top, from February 27th, made the second top at 1927th, almost going to take profit 12, basically to take profit 12. And then, we should see a lower low right down to take profit 9, right to take profit at 9, and this is what we should see. Gain risk reward ratio is 3 to 7 still. We back up out of this, we go back and draw our risk reward ratio again for a short position from take profit from up here, like take profit. It probably could even go to like the 1924. Doesn't have to go to right to 1921. Could even get above here a little higher, and then we have our risk reward ratio. Boom, right to here on the 4-hour. This is a risk reward ratio, two risk reward ratio. Who we want right here, 2 to 1 risk reward ratio on the 4-hour. This is still fine, and this is a quick move, boom, right to take profit 9. You should see this happening during London session, you should see this move happening. And I'll keep you updated. I just want to show you that on the 4-hour as well. And let's go to the 1-hour, and I'll show you this on the 1-hour as well. I already showed you on the 15. You should see this on the 1-hour as well. See this on the 1-hour as well, gang. Boom, gang. You enter off the high when price makes a lower high back up to 1920. Like you enter off the high when you're selling, and then you could sell it all the way back down. So once price makes a lower high back up to 1921, then we could sell it back down and take profit 9, right back to take profit 9. Boom, and then we're out this trade. And risk reward ratio still 2 to 1 risk reward ratio. Boom, we made a couple hundred, couple thousand, depending on your lot size, from 1920 all the way down to 1888. Made a couple hundred, couple thousand, depending on your lot size. And it's still a good trade. So it's extremely important, gang. Wait for price to make a lower high. Wait for price to swing back up, head back up, and then once price makes a lower high, you can enter for a trade at 1921. Shit, it might even make a lower high to 1925 before going back down, smash it past take profit 11, going to take profit 10, and then eventually take profit 9, 1885, 1886. Gang. And who should do? We should see price doing this, and then we put our stop loss into profit again. Boom. When price, starts heading down, put your stop loss into profit. Boom. So if price does head back up during New York session, boom, it hits your stop loss. Boom, and you made all this. All this is profit. You just made a couple hundred, a couple thousand. So you still win no matter what, gang. So allow price to make structure, allow price to make a lower high, back up to 1923, 1925, and then you can ride this back down and enter once price makes a lower high, and then ride this to this lower low to take profit 9, 1888. All right, gang. So I hope that helps. As I want you to take profit, I want you to make money in this market. I teach you how to make millions in this market for free, gang. So I'll keep you updated, gang, and let you know if price did do this. All right, gang, but price should do this, gang, making our double top pattern, heading up, heading back down, heading up again, heading back down, boom, creating this double top pattern. All right, gang. And I'll keep you updated on this. All right, so before you get in the market, actually determine, you have to actually have a trading strategy. You just can't get in the market because you see yellow candlesticks. As you know, price has to make a lower high. You have to allow price to make structure, and then price will make a lower low to take profit 9. All right, so we have to determine, accurately the direction that the market is going in. We have to determine that first, and you deserve to make money in this market. You deserve this. So, you know, wait for price to actually make structure, I'm just giving you all these videos. Hopefully, it helps, as I know, looking at candlestick patterns, looking at the charts all day can be confusing, and forex can be confusing. And eventually, hopefully you get in these trades and eventually you start making money in this market. Hopefully, you take these strategies and you use them, you know, gang. Use all this content and start making money in this market, gang. Come up with your own strategy. If you like my trading strategy, you can use it, you know, gang. And hopefully this helps you become successful in this market. So try these strategies out, gang. Rather it's in a demo account or a live account. And once you feel ready, once you feel ready, gain it, get in a live account. As these trading strategies work, I prove it over and over and over again, gang. These trading strategies work over and over and over again, gang. And you know, um, the trading strategies work. It's not like there's just random numbers. Like, no, price goes right to take profit 9, exactly to take profit 9, goes right to take profit 12, take profit 11, then heads back down to take profit 10, take profit 9. Like, these are not just random numbers. These are actually our psychological levels. Price will go to these psychological levels. The banks like to use these psychological levels. You need to have your take profit levels on here, your psychological levels on here. As price likes to go to these levels. It went right to what? Right to these levels, like literally, gang. Right to take profit 8, right to take profit 9, right to take profit 12. Like, gang, price goes right to these levels. It's not like there's random levels. So, I want you to take this and use it, and price, as price doesn't, this is just isn't like whatever. Like, these are actually our psychological levels that price likes to go to. So the strategy works, test it out for yourself, and I'll keep you updated again with this. Price should make a lower high though, back up to 1923, 1925, and then should make a lower low eventually during London session, around 3 o'clock, 4:30. You see price heading down to 1885. Boom, we're out this trade. Hits our stop loss, boom, and then we're out this trade. Gang. So these are actually our psychological levels that price likes to go to. This just isn't random numbers. These are real, levels that price likes to go to. So with that being said, test it out for yourself, gang. These strategies are accurate, and I prove it to you over and over and over again that it works, gang, that these strategies works. Again, I teach you about Fibonacci, trend line, candlestick patterns, take profit levels, like, fundamental news, like entries, like game, like, we went over everything, literally, and this is where you want to enter at. Once price makes a lower high, we already went over like psychological entries. It kind of wraps it up with entries. We're still kind of going over entries, but just kind of wraps it up with entries. We went over everything though, gang. Fundamental news, entries, Fibonacci, trend lines, candlestick patterns, double top patterns. This is one of our candlestick patterns. Letting us know that price should shoot back down. Makes a shooting star here, February 27th. Making this double top pattern, making this second top. And we should see price going back down to take profit 9. Like, literally, this is our psychological level. Price stopped right at take profit 9, February 25th. Like, right at take profit 9. Like, these are real levels, gang. So, the strategies work. This is actually accurate, and I just want you to test it out for yourself, gang. That's why I'm giving you all these videos so you can get in this market and be confident in this market, and I'm doing all this to help with your psychology. As Forex is about your psychology, gang. Like, your psychology has to be right. These are our psychological levels, and I hope these videos help, gang. So I'll keep you updated, gang, and hopefully you try these strategies out, test these strategies out for yourself, gang. And I'll let you know when price goes to take profit 9. I'll let you know that that price went to take profit 9. I'll update the video and let you know for the day. February 28th, 2022. Wait for price to make a lower high. Boom, you can enter off the high. That's where you make the most money, off the high. When price makes a high, you can enter, and then you ride it back down to the low. All right, gang. So test these strategies out, gang. This is how I trade. Every trader is different. But this is how I trade, these are psychological levels that price likes to go to. All right, gang. So when price gets down to 1888, take profit, boom, boom, take profit, boom, right here. You're out this trade. All right, gang. So I hope these videos help. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Gang.